Hello guys! Let's work on the last camera we have set up before. Also, don't forget to save this one as a new file with a different name. First of all, I don't want to have these chairs visible in this view, so we can move them to the right hand side. And let's start interactive rendering so we can work on the lighting. You can see that the lighting doesn't work here too great, so let's turn off all the layers and let's start from scratch. Here is our light from the environment. But because the windows are far away from our camera, there is not too much of this coming to this part of the space. Let's see which lights can work here. I will start from the general lighting in this view, so definitely depend on lamps. Okay, we can leave this. Also, I will turn on the wall lights. They need to be stronger to create nice accent on the columns. Definitely, we will need to add the wall light. It will add the mood to this image. I think we should make it stronger though. Nice. Now let's add some lights that will highlight the settings and help to enhance the characteristics of the velvet material. We can turn on this sofa layer. We don't need to add extra lights. We can use these ones from the scene. It will be faster. I will position one here, in the corner of the seating. Let's adjust the intensity as it should be way stronger. We can test different positions and choose the one that looks the best. And the same on another side. I like how it looks there. Let's turn on the other lights and adjust if needed. I don't like how these lights affect the columns and the wooden panels on the ceiling. I will exclude the objects. Actually, we can leave the lights on the wooden panels. It looks weird now. Let's add one more disc light on top of the seating on the left hand side. But this one should be less intense as it's in the corner of the image and it catches too much attention. We can increase the general intensity of the settings though. Let's move this disk light to get a bit more light on the armature. Looks better. Let's adjust the pendant lights now. I will increase the setting lights even more. Now we need some light to lighten up the shadows on the right-hand side. Let's create a rectangle corona light and position it somewhere at the side. It's way too intense. Let's decrease the intensity and make it more blue. It creates a nice color contrast between the lights. It will imitate the environment lighting. Let's try to add one more, but smaller, so the sides of the settings are not so dark. Awesome, it looks way better. But we don't want this light to affect the armchairs as it makes them more flat than 3D. So let's exclude them. Let's turn off visibility in reflections. Let's make some final adjustments to the rest of the lights. That's it. We are ready to render now. See you in the next lesson.